What's up, ladies, gents, boys and girls? Just a quick message to tell you about the Flair Camp World Tour. That's right. For those that don't know, Flair Camp is a week-long training that we do in Spain. We've been going for 8 years. This year will be our 9th year, where we teach bartending, mixology, flair bartending, craft flair, working flair, exhibition flair, and all that kind of lovely stuff from some of the best trainers in the world. If you're not sure, go check out flaircamp.com. And for this year, for the first time ever, we are going on a world tour. Yes, that's right, a world tour to 20 cities around the world, teaming up with the local legend in those cities and offering to you cocktail training, bartender training, mixology training, flair bartender training, craft flair, working flair, mixology, and all the rest. So to reel off a couple of names that are involved in this world tour, first on the list is myself, then there's Jean-Marc Poutier, there's Giorgio Chiarello, Dario Di Carlantonio, we've got Denny Bakiev, Vahe Manukian, Rodrigo Delpesh, there's Danilo Oribe, there's Clinton Weir down in Australia, we have Steve Schneider, we have Owen O'Reilly down in South Africa, Adriano Marcelino and Christian Cordoba, we have Mika Metio, the current IBA world champion, Tomek Malik, the 4-time Roadhouse world champion, Marek Podluzny, the 3-time IBA world champion, and there's a bunch more which I'm sure I've forgotten. And in every single location, Mr. Jumble St. Pierre will be joining them and teaming up. So there'll be 2 people training at every single location, teaching you all the stuff that you perhaps want to know. And there's information about every lesson on the Flair Camp website. Just go to flaircamp.com, World Tour, and you'll see all the lessons that are available, and you can book some of the lessons if you click on book. So what else is going on the World Tour dates? Well, we're going to be producing a vlog, which is going to be going out on this channel. And that vlog is going to be an episode in every single location that happens during the World Tour. And we're going to meet with the local legends. You're going to get a little bit of training on those vlogs. You're going to meet some of the students. You're going to see what we get up to. So if you want to be on this channel, that's right, you can get onto this channel, onto one of these vlogs by joining one of the Flair Camp World Tour dates. Yes, and there's more. If you join one of these dates, you also get 10% off of the main week of Flair Camp, which is happening in September. Dates are still to be confirmed, but I can tell you it will be in Spain, and it will be announced very, very soon. So if you book on one of the World Tour dates, you get 10% off of the main week of Flair Camp. Plus, in every location, there'll be a Beaumont goodie bag. Beaumont is a bar supply which has sponsored the World Tour and is supplying lots of goodies for you guys that join one of those tour dates and come to join us for some of those trainings. So go and check it out, flaircamp.com. If you've got any questions, whack it into the comments box below. And I am super excited about it. The first tour date is on the 9th of February, which is myself and Jumble St. Pierre. If you want to go and check that one out and be a part of it, go and book now because there's only a few spots available, but there's loads of other locations. You can go and have a look at those as well. I did also, I forgot to mention that we do have Goa, India on the list with Mr. Vitaly Kolpin, the craft bar skills master. So I think you'll agree that this is pretty awesome. I would say so, if I do say so myself. And I'd love to see you on one of those World Tour dates. Like I said, thank you very, very much for watching. Here's a little bit of Flair to finish off. Boom. Yeah. Roll in the square bowl. Yes. Thank you very much for watching, guys and girls. Until next time, I'll see you on Wednesday.